Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 22 September 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And before starting the session, those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Okay, so proceed towards today's session. As per this was our previous question. Our first question was, who chaired the G20 Environmental Ministerial Meeting? Saudi Arabia, Japan, India, option D, USA. The correct answer here is option A, Saudi Arabia. Option A is correct here. G20 Environmental Ministerial Meeting is chaired by Saudi Arabia. Okay, remember all the G20 meeting in 2020, it is chaired by Saudi Arabia. Okay, our second question was, which state government has launched Mukhyamantri Mahila Utkarsh Yojana? Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Gujarat, option D, Goa. The correct answer here is Gujarat. Option C is correct here. In Gujarat, Mukhyamantri Mahila Utkarsh Yojana is recently started. Okay, the capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Chief Minister is Vijay Rupani and Governor is Acharya Devrat. Acharya Devrat is the governor of Gujarat. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, when International Peace Day is observed? 20 October, 21st September, 22 September or 23 August? The correct answer here is 21st September. Option B is correct here. On 21st September, International Peace Day is observed. And what is the theme of 2020? Shaping Peace Together. Shaping Peace Together is the theme of 2020. Okay, and another day also celebrated on 21st September, that is World Alzheimer Day. World Alzheimer Day. Alzheimer is a brain related disease. To give awareness among this disease, so World Alzheimer Day also celebrated on 21st September. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who has inaugurated the Visitors Conference on Implementation of NEP, National Education Policy 2020? Ramnath Kovind, Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, option D, Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. The correct answer here is President Ramnath Kovind. Option A is correct here. President Ramnath Kovind virtually inaugurated the Visitors Conference on Implementation on National Education Policy 2020 in higher education. Okay, you can see the image of Honorable President of our India. Next question. Who became new chief of NTRO? Anil Dasman, Arati Mishra, Rajesh Kumar, option D, Abhishek Banerjee. The correct answer here is Anil Dasman. Option A is correct here. Anil Dasman, the former Research and Analysis Wing, the former RAW chief, the former Research and Analysis Wing's chief has been appointed as the chief of NTRO. Abbreviation of NTRO is National Technical Research Organization. Remember the abbreviation of NTRO is National Technical Research Organization. Okay, you can see the image of Anil Dasman here. Okay, the former RAW chief. Next question. Who is observing Swachhata Pakhwada from 16 to 13 September? Ministry of Health, Ministry of Education, Indian Railways, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Indian Railways. Indian Railways is observing Swachhata Pakhwada from 16 to 13 September. Okay. Next question. In which state Prime Minister Modi has inaugurated Kosi Rail Mega Bridge? Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh or option D, Odisha? The correct answer here is Bihar. Option A is correct here. In Bihar, Prime Minister Modi inaugurated the Kosi Rail Mega Bridge, okay, on Kosi River, and its length is about 1.9 km. A very important connection, Kosi Bridge. It is about 1.9 km because it reduced the distance of 298 km 298 kilometer to only 22 kilometer. Okay, so this bridge is very much important in Bihar. Okay, Bihar is in news. The capital of Bihar is Patna. Chief Minister is Nitish Kumar, and Phagu Chauhan is the governor of Bihar. Okay, next question. Who will inaugurate the Vaibhav Summit on 2nd October 2020? Narendra Modi, Rajnath Singh, Amit Shah. Option D, none of these. Answer here is option A, Prime Minister Modi. Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, will inaugurate the वैश्विक भारतीय वैज्ञानिक वैभव एब्रिविएशन इज वैश्विक भारतीय वैज्ञानिक समिट on 2nd October 2020. Okay, next question. What is the rank of India in World Bank's Human Capital Index? 25, 50, 116. Option D, 120. The correct answer here is option C, 116. Remember that India's rank is 116 in World Bank's Human Capital Index. Okay, this report is produced by or given by World Bank. Okay, and in this report, the first position is achieved by Singapore, second position is achieved by Hong Kong and China, and third position Japan is in the third rank. Okay, in Human Capital Index 2020. Okay, World Bank is in news. The headquarters of World Bank is situated in Washington DC, and David Malpass is the president of World Bank. Okay, next question. Fitch Solutions expect India's GDP to contract by how much percentage? 9%, 8.6%, 10%. Option D, 11.2%. The correct answer here is, can you guess the answer? The answer here is option B, 8.6%. Fitch Solution project India's GDP is contract by 8.6% in fiscal year 2020 and 21. Okay, so the answer here is 8.6%. Previously, you know, the CRISIL's expect it is minus 9%. Moody's expect it is minus 11.2%. Okay, and according to Fitch Solution, it is expect that India's GDP is contract by 8.6%. Okay, next question. Who got Bureau of Indian Standard certification for all its products? HOCL, SAIL, SEL, NTPC. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option A, HOCL. Okay, option A is correct here. HOCL stands for Hindustan Organic Chemical Limited. Okay, HOCL, a PSU under the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizer, recently got the Bureau of Indian Standard BISB, Bureau of Indian Standard certification. Okay, next question. Question number 10. How many beaches of India recommended for Blue Flag Eco Level certification? 6, 7, 8 or 10? Can you guess the answer here? The correct answer here is option C, 8. Okay, firstly, the 8 beaches of India have been recommended for Blue Flag certification, Eco Level certification. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. As per you know, this is our question of the day, and you have to answer in the comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Our first question is, which bank has introduced a new scheme, Vikas Laghu Subarna? Our second question is, Babu Shivan passed away, he was related to which plea? Please try to answer in the comment section. Okay, due to my poor health condition, I can't upload our current affairs in regular time interval or in the morning. Okay, sorry. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can, thereby many students got help. Those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Okay, thank you. Have a great day.